Right, so condensed gel will be your bestie for crystal placement. And if you know exactly where you want, you can apply this right there. But I usually doing it how I tie the nails and do a thin coat. But I mean say thin, but it doesn't mean that really like super thin. You want to get it enough. But if you're using the first time you feel like it being like the crystals floating your crystals, that means that you apply a little bit much. So you can do less in the next time, and you give it a couple times, you will get hang of it really easy. No wet top coat. So now keep in mind, if you are doing a matte finish, you can add the matte top coat on. I hope everyone really enjoying it on Saturday with cool tutorials. I'm absolutely obsessed with this. I feel like I don't get to see everyone tomorrow, so I'm gonna make it up for you. Right in the center. I'm so obsessed. This is come from your kits, your frame kits. Right there. Oh my god, this is so adorable. This is so cute.
Those colors.
It's so cute, huh? It's like, yeah, so beautiful. How I do no, let's do the white one. No, let's do the green one. Let's say, wait. So adorable. Let's put the green on the top. Let's put her, she wearing a crown on the top. Oh my god. I'm in love with this one. All right, everyone. They are so beautiful. Oh, perfect. Here you go. Get little diamonds on the top.
Nice.
On the frame.
I can fit one.
Hold on. Let me see if I can find tiny ones on Earth. I think I can find one. It's super adorable. Right there. Okay. And look what I found. I wanted that one inside there. It's gonna fit? No, because it's gloves. So what you need to do, really simple, take this one out. And take this one out. For just a second. Just a second. And then put this one back in. And now you put your glove it back in. Smaller one. And adjusting them until you like it. And I'm gonna add some beads on it to lock them in and to make it more like is cute finished looks of the jewelry looking. One more right there. Bigger beads. I think it is. No. This one. And you can add the beads on it. More than just one. I'm gonna put 3. And one more gloves, snow gloves crystal right there. If you have a shorter nails, you get a shorter, you can just stop at any point. You know? One here. And one right there. Okay, if you're happy with this, we are going to definitely cure this. So beautiful. And you're going to adjusting it as you are going, so you make sure that it's not crooked. You want it to be the way